Why Solombe? These girls are becoming troublesome.
Why, you fear competition? My dear, it's their time. You learn to play the game at your level. But say, Charlie, talking about that whole thing, those guys at the tennis court. Oh my word. Talk about muscles and six-pack.
Just like my Pedro.
Pedro?
Anytime I see this boy, my heart beats like a locomotive engine. Chuku chaka.
You have to be very careful the things you do with your face, else Alima, you'll be sorry.
I've done nothing with my face.
Oh yeah? Then you have a problem. You have a very big problem.
Sister Sadia, please don't insult me.
You don't want to be insulted, right? Good. Then you do the right things here always in this shop. If a customer comes in here, you provide them with the best attraction you have and you will smile. Do you understand me? You will smile.
You have that naughty look. I know something's going down. And you know I'll find out in the end, so out with it.
There's nothing to find out, Chantal. Your imagination just went overdrive. I've got to stay.
Hey, why are you locking the door? You've definitely trapped something. Happy hunting.
I want to teach these little ones hard work, determination, integrity.
Next Thursday is Abiba's birthday and I want to surprise her.
Oh, sir, I think you should line your bed with roses. She'll love it.
You think so?
Hey.
Hello. Hey, Rama. What do people do when they miss someone?
I was just about to call you when you called.
If you say so. I'm coming over tonight.
I thought we agreed that it will be next week.
I don't see why I should wait to see you next week when I can see you tonight.
Sam, it's just that I have a lot of catching up to do with my notes. I really don't have time tonight.
I'm not buying that. I will see you.
See, I have a midterm tomorrow. I have to... Come on, what is all this?
DJ Breezy. Alright. Alright.
What's bumping, y'all?
I guess someone is avoiding me.
Who's avoiding you?
Come off it, please. You know you're avoiding me. Or giving me a cold shoulder.
Never. Even if I tried, I couldn't.
So, have I done anything I'm not being told?
No, not at all, Chantal. Are you free this evening?
Depend on what's up for consideration.
I want to take you out, buy you something, ice cream, or anything. Okay, I need someone to talk to. I want a good ear.
Time?
7:30, if that is okay with you. If not, I mean...
Oh, don't worry, it's fine. 7:30.
Sure. Good.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay. See you.
Alright.
What is this gathering about? Well, they are troubled and we just have to establish the facts once and for all.
What? Is this an inquisition?
No. Listen, I know this for a fact. And if you guys don't believe me, then you can derive your own means of finding out what the truth is. Look, we're not doubting you per se. But in sensitive matters like this one, first-hand, red-handed facts are important. So one doesn't go ruining another's reputation unduly.
Exactly. And Lucia's case comes to mind. Echa, do you remember? Now she can't talk.
So what do we do now? We bang on the door till she opens up. And I'm sure she's going to hide there before opening the door. We'll look for her from her hiding place. Then we have the evidence we need.
Hey, so it's really true what goes on around here?
Yeah, I'm the
Wow.
friend of Mama.
I'm even surprised.
Take a selfie. We call the guy. See that girl over there? That 1, 2. We call the guy. We call the guy. All I really want to tell you, sexy, sexy, sexy. Girl, let me stand next to you. Take a selfie. Selfie, selfie. All I really wanna tell you, sexy, sexy, sexy. Girl, let me stand next to you. Let's take a selfie. Selfie. Take a picture, I want some more. The selfie ones, I want them all. Not the ones I've seen before. Not the ones against the law. Sexy girl. Let's take a selfie.
What have you been up to in my absence?
Nothing worth sharing.
I'm interested in the trivialities, you know. There must be nothing unknown between us.
Are you insinuating?
Me?
Yeah, I mean, are you driving at something?
Do I have cause to? I'm just being protective, sweetie.
What happened to trust?
I trust you, and you know that. You mean the world to me. I'm here.
Are you sure?
Sure.
So why all these questions?
No, don't worry. We'll get over. You got nice eyebrow.
What about them?
They are pretty.
I know, right?
And your eyes. Yeah. They remind me of the cat's eyes.
No, not
Come
cat's
on.
eyes. No.
You know you're my baby girl.
I have to check that.
Later.
I'm not sure what's from.
Come on. Who is it?
It's Albert.
What does he want?
Can't tell.
Tell him you are out.
Sam, the lights are on here, so he knows I'm in.
Then tell him you are busy, so he should make it tomorrow or something.
A message has been received.
He's coming up.
A message has been received.
Music to see a homie.
Come on, you know that's not. I just have a lot of stuff to do.
Maybe I can help you.
I don't think so. You'll be a distraction.
Oh, baby, I can help you.
Oh, no, I know. I have a lot of work to do.
Just a quick one. I'll be out of here for you to continue with school
I'm
stuff.
not in the mood.
It's in your mind. Just put yourself in the mood, baby.
See, I have a medicine tomorrow. After the medicine, we
doesn't
can do
matter.
whatever
It
you
doesn't
want.
matter,
See,
baby.
not tonight, Albert.
Just a quick one, baby.
Albert.
Come on. What the hell is going on? What's going on?
I have no idea.
So sorry. I think we got the wrong room.
Wrong room?
Yeah, sorry.
What was that about?
How could you be so wrong? I was not wrong. I can swear by the Bible I saw that lady enter the room. Hey, you know, I'm sure you're suffering from the worst case of myopia. We just came out of that room and what we saw there didn't even come close to 2 women. Thank you. Something may have gone wrong with.
Something like what? Transgendering.
Lorena, don't insult me. Don't even talk about insults. Don't even talk about insults. What you made us go through there is even worse than insults. Exactly. Did I drag you along? Did I ask you to follow me? Follow. Is that what you want to say? Esha, is that what you are saying? Listen, please, don't tell us anything again, okay? The next time I bring my gossip, none of you should listen. We won't even listen. Don't even tell us anything. Don't blame yourself. I don't blame you. Hey, who do you blame? Who do you blame? Don't judge my gossip. Whatever. Gossip. But you enjoy my gossip. Don't you follow me? It's okay. Just forget about it. You're not even ashamed. Whatever.
So, since it's not what I think, what do you want to share with me?
It's not you. It's about my fiancée.
Your fiancée?
Yes.
What about her has anything to do with me?
It's not you. It's just about women in general.
How do you mean?
She's just uncomfortable with any woman I speak with.
Then you have a problem.
I know, right? You know, she saw us at the gym together last week.
Us? What do you mean by us?
Remember the day I was on the treadmill and miming Bob Marley tune? You asked me whom I was in love with, and I said, my fiancée.
Yeah, sure. And I even suggested that you line your bed with roses.
Exactly. Apparently, she has registered at the gym and wanted to surprise me with her appearance that day. But when she entered, she saw me with you, and she assumed the worst.
Really? And what happened?
Feeling good. Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Darling!
Darling? Go back into the hole you just came out from. Oh my God. I hate to be the reason for any woman's sadness.
It's not your fault. Well, if you had had the courage to approach us that day, I would have introduced you to her as my friend. But she didn't. Well, there was no red roses, no romantic dinner. Like I told you, it was a big fight. Very big fight.
I guess you have to leave now.
Under circumstances. But are you sure you'll be okay? What those girls did was weird.
Don't worry, I'll be just fine.
Alright then, just be careful.
I will. I always am.
Okay, see you.
Okay, bye-bye. Drive safely.
Bye dear. Bye dear.
This cannot continue. We cannot continue hiding our true feelings.
Sam, you should go.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Why do you think those girls barged in here moments ago?
I don't care why they did that. I know I just want to be with you.
Well, I do care. I have a boyfriend with whom I haven't broken up with officially.
But you told me you love me. Break up with him!
Give me time. I'm still uncomfortable with this whole situation.
I should give you time. I broke up with mine because of you. When will you get out of the closet?
We're different people, Sam. I may not be as strong as you.
Is there anything I can do to help set her mind at peace about me?
Chantel, it's not about you. My worry is her suspicion about every woman. That's the problem I have.
She's not alone, you know. Because every woman has a phobia of seeing her man talking to another woman. Especially a beautiful woman.
Chantel, I'm not a womanizer.
She may even know that. But there's always this fear of losing you to another woman.
So, how do I solve that?
Well, she just needs constant assurance from you.
I do that every time to assure her that, but it doesn't seem to be working.
Then pray.
I pray every morning, every afternoon, every evening.
Good, then your problem will be solved. Don't worry.
You know, you're a darling. You're such a good woman. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Thank you. You're a handsome man, you know. So it's natural that every woman who sees you to conclude without even talking to you that you're a womanizer. I'm no exception.
enter Kolo. See everybody, make you hold somebody, drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling, is it sexual healing, or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.